Hey guys, you're watching Coding Science with Atish. Namaste, pranam, greetings to all of my viewers. I'm a 7th grader studying in New Jersey, America, and I'm based out of India. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you one of my most interesting program to convert any image to ASCII characters and print on the screen. This is dedicated to Ram Mandir Ayodhya. So stick on till the end, because I can assure this is going to be an amazing program never before on YouTube. So here I am using Microsoft Visual Studio to run my program. You can use any free tool available on internet to run yours. Alright, as always, let's start this program with printing our Lord's name, Jai Shri Ram. Then let's just leave an empty line for formatting purpose. So in the next line, we'll be declaring a string array as str array and initialize this variable by calling a method getArray. So now let's define the getArray method and then we'll do rest of the programming. Now we'll define getArray method. So in the next line, we'll declare one string array as str ASCII. That will store all the ASCII characters generated of the image. Now we'll save the image on desktop and go to ASCII-Art.eu. That will convert image to ASCII characters. We'll copy the ASCII characters into Notepad and paste it. As you can see, I've already done this and I've considered each line as a string, and that's why each line will be enclosed with double quotes followed by commas to convert this into an array of string. Now we'll copy this ASCII characters and paste it here. So we are done with assigning value to the array. Next, we'll return this array that will initialize str array variable in main method. Next, we'll need nested for loop in order to read each character from the array. The outer for loop will start from 0 and will traverse till number of lines, which is 32. And the inner for loop will start from 0 and will traverse till the number of characters in each line, which is equal to 96. Alright, we are done with the loop and we'll simply print the characters by using console.write method. We'll pass this array variable with I and j as a parameter to the write method. Next, we'll add one more console.write line for formatting purpose, and we'll also add one thread.sleep method to slow down the printing speed. Now let's run the program to test the output. Here you go! As you can see, Lord Ram appeared on your screen to bless you. Jai Shri Ram! Now we'll do a small change in the program to replace all the star with a dot and see how it looks like. And this is an advantage of using loop. So we'll add one if condition to check if the character is equal to star console.write dot, else no change to the character. Now let's run the program again and see how it looks like. Wow! It looks much better. Jai Shri Ram! Guys, please comment which one looked better. Thanks for watching Coding Science, and don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. Meet you next video. For then, bye!